If you use Shopify to sell your products and services, you can now create a segmented contact list based on the actions customers take in your store. If you need to learn how to connect Shopify to Constant Contact, please check out this video first. To get started, click the Contacts tab. From there, click Segments. From the Segments page, click Create Segment. Give your segment a name and then delete any segment data you don't need. From there, click the drop-down for Choose E-commerce and select Shopify Activity from the drop-down. With the Shopify criteria added, click the drop-down and select the activity you want to use. For example, if you choose Placed an Order, you can build a segment based on contacts who have placed an order in the last 7 days. Just click each drop-down that appears to build your segment. When you're finished, click Save and Preview. And that's how easy it is to build a custom contact segment based on your Shopify store activity.